So once again, very good day to you, my dear students and young scientists and researchers. Today we are going to discuss something about Slideshare. Okay, so Slideshare and ISSUU, I'll be discussing them. So Slideshare, if you can say, it is a product of LinkedIn. I hope I have given you some basic introduction or maybe some knowledge about LinkedIn. I have already discussed about LinkedIn. I hope you would have understood about LinkedIn. Okay. So with regards to LinkedIn, I have opened a tab, a LinkedIn, where I have opened my account as well. So if you have logged in the LinkedIn, then you can open the SlideShare in another tab, because SlideShare is a sub product of, or maybe another product of LinkedIn. Okay, so I have opened LinkedIn in one tab and SlideShare in another tab. I have logged in the LinkedIn. Okay, now with the case of SlideShare, it shows like upload, login, and then sign up. So if I click on this login, it will say sign into SlideShare, continue with script, or maybe continue with LinkedIn, or maybe continue with Facebook. I can continue with LinkedIn. So you can say that script, LinkedIn, Facebook, and SlideShare are interconnected. So which means you have an account in script, you can log in to SlideShare. If you have an account in LinkedIn, you can log into SlideShare. Or maybe if you have an account in Facebook, then you can join into SlideShare. Okay. So in the case of SlideShare, you have this account, so you can create your own profile in SlideShare, and definitely you can enjoy much of its services. So as I should tell you, whenever it comes to research publications, normally you tend to publish research articles, maybe normal journal articles, Scopus indexed research articles, or maybe SCI, Web of Science, or maybe ISI indexed research articles. Then maybe you can go for books, you can go for book chapters, you can go for monographs, you can go for dissertation, theses, or maybe projects, newspaper articles, or maybe magazine articles. Okay, so these research articles, normally we try to send it to a journal or maybe a publisher, and they will be doing the publishing stuff, and they will be making it available for you online or maybe as a hard copy. But the thing is that maybe to get a larger reach, we tend to index this research articles in SlideShare. Okay, so SlideShare is a powerful platform to index your research articles, and we can do this by ourselves. We need not have to rely on the publisher. Okay, we need not rely on the people who are doing that publishing work. Okay, we need not rely on the people who are trying to advertise our work. Okay, so in SlideShare, you can create an account with the LinkedIn turned in. You can log into SlideShare. Okay, here you have a section called home. Okay, so it will bring back to your home page. Okay, and then you have a section called explore. Okay, if I click on this explore, I have the most popular articles, some editors picks, arts and photos, automotive, businesses, career, data and analytics, design, devices and hardware, and so on. Like we have like different themes. Okay, so let us take in the case I'm interested in technology. Okay, I can explore some of the featured technological articles. For example, this article has been viewed like maybe 1 million views. Okay, 1 million views. Like it was posted 4 years ago. Okay, maybe I can click on this like, or maybe I can download it, or maybe I can share the SlideShare. So SlideShare has its own library, or maybe a set of downloads. You can download them, you can bookmark them, and you can save it for your own use, and you can read them at your best available time. Okay, so these are a list of popular articles that you can go through. And many researchers, what they will do, they will index their research articles, or maybe their institution, or maybe their organization, or maybe their company posters in the Slideshare, even the publications they will try to index. Okay, so it definitely will have a wider reach. Everybody tries to read this one. For example, let us take in the case one faculty. Okay, one faculty, maybe a teacher. They will try to index some some lecture notes or maybe learning materials in Slideshare. So maybe let us take in the case you have a subject called introduction to computer systems, or maybe introduction to C++, something like that. Okay, so they will be posting these materials here in Slideshare. So whoever, maybe a new teacher comes, okay, new faculty comes, they will be trying to access. Okay, so when they visit Slideshare, they will be seeing the learning materials of the old teacher. So this is a greater access. It's a greater advantage that people try to access these materials in Slideshare. Maybe they can share it as a PPT. They can share it as a PDF document as well. So that's a good way that you can read them. You can download them if you want to, and you can even share them if you want to. Okay. So this is all about the explore section. Okay. Then maybe in the news feed you have the trending articles, the featured slide shares. Maybe like maybe Dropbox, about Dropbox they have something said about this one. Okay, this is the trending articles. Like we can browse through the slide share from A, B, C, D up to 1 to 9. Okay, even with you can search. Okay, and accordingly you can get the relevant results. Okay, here I can also go for the search results. Okay, I can search for maybe a researcher or maybe an author or maybe any particular article. For example, let us take in the case I'm trying to search about autism. Let us take in the case. Okay, so I'll be getting some facts. Okay, autism, ASD. Okay, about that you will be getting some articles. Okay, so it's a great way to read and you can get the content you want to. So Slideshare, I should tell you, it's a powerful platform that you can read the works and you can also publish as an author. Also here we have the filters, like uploaded anytime, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 365 days. Even you can change the language even. Okay, you can go for Chinese or German or Italian. So accordingly you will get the search results. Okay, and then you have a section called my clipboards. Okay, so here I haven't created any clipboard. Okay, but the thing is that if you create a clipboard, then it will have a widespread reach, just like Instagram Reels or maybe Facebook statuses or maybe WhatsApp statuses. So you can go for creating a clipboard, and it will be a featured article, a featured publication in your account or maybe your profile. Okay, you can create a clipboard if you want to. Also, there's a section called my uploads. So here you will be having a list of uploads. Okay, for example, this was actually a research paper. Okay, it has been viewed like 90 times. Okay, and then I have a set of likes as well, and then the downloads. Okay, you can download them if you want to. Okay, similarly a pattern. Okay, an Australian pattern, and it has been viewed. The statistics it is showing. You can download them if you want to. Okay, for example, if I click on this view detail analytics, I can see a list of statistics for this particular article over the last 1 week or maybe 1 month. Okay, maybe if I click on this 1 year, maybe I'll be getting some statistics. Okay, so it's a way that you can definitely try to index them. Like for example, the searches, the traffic sources. Okay, because of Slideshare, somebody has searched this one. Okay, because of the normal search, okay, normal Google search, some has searched them. Okay, then comes referral. Okay, so this is all about the statistics, the total views about this article. Okay, so what role does Slideshare play is, for example, if I am trying to index a particular research article, let us take in the case this particular pattern. Okay, this particular pattern, I'm trying to do this one. Okay, For example, it has the name, okay, Australian pattern, okay, system and method of representing health data. Okay, let us take in the case if I am searching for this one. Okay, for example, see for this one, we have the search result papers.ssrn.com. Okay, Zenodo, we are getting a search result. Academia.edu, I'm getting a search result. The IP Australia, I'm getting the search result. Also, this is several search results, relevant search results I'm getting. Okay, relevant search results I'm getting. Okay, for example, yeah, the intellectual property rights. Okay, I'm getting a notification about each and everything. Okay, like, so maybe in the second page I'm not getting the exact search result, but maybe in the first page I'm getting the relevant search result. So this is the power of the Slideshare. Okay, so you can index your research article, your publications in Slideshare, so that whenever you go for the search results, it will be giving you an exact search result. Okay, maybe something has been indexed in Slideshare, something has been indexed in ISSUU, something has been indexed in SSRN. Okay, something has been indexed in Zenodo. Okay, and I'll be explaining about each and every powerful indexing platforms. So one such platform is Slideshare, so you can index them. Okay, and then I have a section called my comments. Okay, I haven't posted any comments. Maybe in my research publications I can give any comments. Maybe this is an Australian pattern, this is an Indian pattern. Okay, this is a research publication which is in the area of embedded system, which is in the area of Python, which is in the area of Java. Okay, so you can follow my research article if you want. And I have used a tool called NS2, Network Simulator 2, Network Simulator 3. Okay, I can give some comments. So whoever tries to follow my research work, they will be, maybe they can use my tools. Okay, and they can further enhance the research work if they want. So that's how it goes. Okay, this is my comments. Okay, and then you have a thing called analytics. Okay, so just as I told you, in all my research publications, like the past 1 month, I'm getting this much views. So I've not been much into uploading the last month. Okay, maybe in the coming days I might upload more of the research publications, and you can see the statistics. Okay, maybe these are the articles or maybe the publications which has got some views. Okay, so it is giving some traffic sources also. That's what I told you. I've not been active the last month. Maybe if I'm active, maybe I would have got the views and the the actions as well. So I'm telling you, it is all about how you engage yourselves. For example, in the company or maybe industry or maybe the organization where you work, you might be regularly involved in articles or maybe conference publications or maybe books or maybe book chapters, whatever. Whenever you get your publication get published in any publishing house, immediately what you have to do, you have to index in the Slideshare. So don't wait for the publisher to do all the work. Of course, it is the responsibility of the publisher to index your research publications, but the thing is that you need not have to wait for the publisher. You can generally create an account in Slideshare, you can index them. So whenever somebody tries to search for that particular paper, it shows in Slideshare, which means they will try to follow the work. So the basic idea is that everybody should try to follow you, everybody should try to enhance their work from your work. So that should be the key concept. And I can even click on the view section to see a list of views even, and I have a set of actions also, like okay, this particular paper has got this much number of likes or maybe comments or maybe downloads or maybe email shares, everything we can get the detailed statistics. So how you engage yourselves in Slideshare, then you will get your relevant statistics. Even we can export your analytic data, okay, in the CSV format, in an Excel format. Okay, so 556 uploads I've done. Okay, so I can export them as a CSV file and I can use it for my personal use. And then there is activity in in the social shares as well. In LinkedIn how much, in Facebook how much. So I'll be getting the statistics about my social shares. And then yeah, I've discussed about like analytics. Okay, and then I have account settings. Okay, like so somebody tries to like my Slideshare, then I will be getting the notification. Somebody tries to download my content, I'll be getting the notification. Maybe if my Slideshare some publication has been so popular, then it has come up in the featured Slideshare section, then I will be getting the notification. Even with the Slideshare statistics, okay, monthly, weekly, or maybe yearly statistics, I'll be getting the notification through the email ID which I have mentioned. Okay, so that also that you can do. Also, you can have a tie up with script. As I told you, script, Slideshare, LinkedIn, Facebook, everything is being interconnected. So you can, if you have an account in script, okay, so you can sign up. Okay, you can sign in, or maybe you can link in both the profiles as well. And you have a platform called social. Okay, so LinkedIn it is being connected, but script I do not have an account, so I can create an account and I can connect it. So like everything is being interconnected here. Okay, with the case of scripts, for example, if you have an account in script, you can connect to Slideshare. And then there are a list of blocked users as well. So I can block a user if somebody is trying to harass me, somebody is trying to bully me out of it, so I can do that, and the list of blocked users come here. And then I have a section called content. Okay, so maybe the preferred language may allow users to download your slideshows without a subscription. Okay, maybe I can do that, or maybe I can allow the users to subscribe, and then I can maybe make it downloadable. With the case of the account settings, maybe I can permanently delete your account if I want to. Okay, and then with the case of the email address, I can do so. Maybe the email ID and the password I can do so. I can change my password if I want to. And then I have a section called personal details. Okay, maybe I can change the profile pic, update all the personal information, affiliation, about section, okay, the website, okay, the industry, I can do that. And then my contact details, okay, my Twitter profile, my Facebook profile, my LinkedIn profile, my city, my region, my country, I can update them. Okay. Also, with the case of export, I can export my account data. Okay, so they have a particular format called JSON. Okay, so you can export it in the JSON format. Okay, and you can download as a .csv file if I want. Okay, about my all my documents, all my presentations, I can make a instant download of it. So this is all about the account settings. Okay, and finally I'm going to go for this upload section. Let us take in the case, I'm clicking on this article. Let us take in the case. Okay, so immediately when I'm trying to upload it, it will be showing the title. Okay, whatever the title you have saved, you can save it. But you know, most of the researchers, most of the people will try to make a mistake here. Okay, they will be inputting maybe some, not a exact title, but maybe a relevant title. So it doesn't become searchable. So it is all about how you make it searchable. So you have to type in the exact title. Okay, maybe if you have an abstract, or maybe if you have an introduction, or maybe if you have a some description about it, you can enter them. I can choose the category. Okay, maybe I can go for engineering, or maybe education. I don't want to. And whenever you try to enter, your discoverability score gets increased. Okay, and then you have public, or maybe private, or limited. You can enter as many tags I want to. Maybe I can type maybe Christo space Ananth. Okay, it comes in the search result. Okay, so it is a tag. Okay, it is a tag if I want. Okay, and you can add as many tags, but still tags are limited. Okay, and then if I click on I'm not a robot, and if I try to publish, and you'll be getting the publications in the my uploads section. So this is where you can upload all the research articles, and whenever you try to upload these articles, then a preview comes up, then you click on this publish. Okay, so there might be cases that the Slideshare profile, or maybe the account server might be down. Okay, server might get down, so maybe you will have a problem in uploading the content. Maybe you can refresh the page, or maybe you can log out and then you can log in, and you can upload it once again. And if you still have problem in uploading the content, then the alternate way then you can go is ISSUU. So this is the way I normally do. For example, if I am having a problem in uploading the content, then in place of Slideshare, I will choose ISSUU. So similar to Slideshare, ISSUU is an alternate platform where you can upload the articles. And the way that you try to search is, you can go for Slideshare. Okay, so this is how you search for a Slideshare. You can see the Slideshare. Okay, so this is Slideshare. If I click on this one, and if I try to log in or maybe sign up, I can create a research article. And as I have mentioned earlier, you can upload the research publications. You can get the detailed statistics if you want to. You can explore all the trending research articles in the relevant area, and you can follow them, you can bookmark them, you can save them, you can forward them if you want to. Okay, and once again I'm telling you that Slideshare is a very, 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 very powerful platform to index your research publications, and you will get widespread reach out of it. So similarly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for ISSUU. So this is what I'm considering is as an alternate platform to index your research article. So you can index your research publications. You can create an account. It's a free platform that you can create an account. Okay, so what you do, you can create an account in ISSUU. So I have already logged in here. Okay, so what you do, you try to sign up and then you create an account. Okay, so ISSUU, you can search for creators, you can search for contents. Okay, so, and you will be getting the relevant search results. Okay, so this is what I told you. Like similar to the Slideshare account, you can also upload a document in ISSUU. Okay, the difference between Slideshare and ISSUU is that Slideshare, whenever you upload it, okay, maybe it gets instantly uploaded. Okay, maybe it will say like, okay, the data has been uploaded on 7 February 2022. Okay, something like that. Okay, and with the case of ISSUU, you can set a back date. Maybe it was uploaded on 2018, it was uploaded in 2019, so something like that. You can set the back date if you want to. Okay, and it will be showing like it was uploaded on 2018 or maybe during the year of 2019. So that's the best feature of ISSUU. So similar features of Slideshare you will be getting in ISSUU also. Okay, so I have a section called home. If I click on this home, I'll be getting this section. I can have a book template, magazine template, and a portfolio template as well. So maybe you can arrange your words in the format, bring it as appearing of a book, maybe as appearing of magazine, or maybe as appearing of portfolio also. And here I have a section called publications. So these are the list of publications which I have published. Okay, I have a section called drafts. Okay, this is an unpublished work. I can delete my publication if I want. Okay, I can click on this delete. It's a draft. I don't have any scheduled content. Okay, maybe I can choose to schedule it on maybe next week. Okay, I can do that. Okay, with the schedule section. And then I have a section called published. Okay, so these are the list of articles. Okay, research publications which have been published. Okay, so I can see a list of publications. Even I can create a story, just like a Facebook story or maybe Insta Reels, and then I can create a visual story also. Okay, I can even delete my publication I want. Maybe if I click on one particular article, okay, maybe this particular article. Yes. So this was one of the awards, and like normally, like the size is actually 0.25 MB. Okay. So I'm having the description. Okay. And it was set to public. Okay. I'll be maybe if there are some advertisements in my section, then I'll be getting them. Okay. And then set of downloads statistics I can see. It was at a back date. Okay, 22/10/2019. Okay. Maybe I can go for a future date also, or I can set up back date. Okay. So that's the way you go with them. Okay. And then even you can see the publication type also. Like this was marked under editorial section. Okay, it was not a marketing type, it is an editorial section. Okay, so this is the way you can get the statistics about your publication that you have shared. Okay. So similar to this, you can get the statistics about each and every publication you have already published. Similarly, you can go for a bulk upload. Maybe you can upload 10 articles at a time. That also you can do so. And similarly, in my publication list, maybe if I'm having a long publication list with 372 list, okay, I can search for the relevant title and I can view my article if I want. And similarly, like we have article stories. Okay. So I can create a new story I want to. Okay, there are some published stories also. Normally I haven't created any story. Maybe I can do that. Okay, maybe it is a way to grab the attention of the people. Okay, maybe I can create some article stories. Maybe something about the novel, something about the current trend. Okay, something about the news. I can do so, and it gets trendy. Okay, maybe I can create some visual stories also. And for the case of visual stories, there is some platform, maybe some template. Okay, so I can see an example. You can see an example of how I can create a visual story with the case of Issuu. So this is how it goes. Maybe I can go for get started, and I can see. Okay, I can enjoy the premium services. I can activate them. Starter pack $19 per month. I can upgrade it, and I can create a visual story. So now creating visual stories or maybe article stories, it's a good platform that you try to showcase. So maybe if you are working in a brand company where you tend to explore the marketing skills, then you can use this visual stories. So it's a powerful platform that you can showcase. And similarly with the case of sales section, okay, maybe if you are trying to sell this magazine, okay, whatever a portfolio you have about your company or maybe about your industry, so this is a platform where you can showcase. So you can go for sales section where you can go for overview, subscription. Okay, and then you have some payment settings also. Okay, so you can sell the content. Okay, maybe let us take in the case you have a content for maybe $500. Okay, maybe you can choose $600. Okay, maybe like $100 might go for maybe like let us take in the case, okay, for Issuu, then definitely $500 will come up. Okay, so that's a way you try to make it available. So just like Amazon or maybe Flipkart or maybe India Mart, similarly you can sell your content. Okay, and you will be getting related prices also, related awards also. And then you have a section called payment settings. So you can set up your a payment profile. So normally you have a section called Stripe. Okay, so maybe other platforms, maybe they will use PayPal or maybe Pay on Year. Okay, or maybe any debit card payment. Okay, internet banking, something like that. So here they have a profile, an account called Stripe. So you have to create a account with Stripe. So maybe with Stripe, it allows you to go for credit card or maybe debit card payment. So that also that you can do. Okay, so you can connect with Stripe and you can connect your account also. So you have to link your account. So maybe you will get to know all the features. So whenever somebody tries to purchase your article, somebody tries to buy your publication, they will pay the price and some part of it goes to the Stripe and
the remaining comes to your bank account. So that's a powerful way, okay, that you can try to showcase. You can also click for collaborate section. So collaborate is a powerful section where you can collaborate with the research network. So here I have clicked on this collaborate. So it goes into a separate section. Okay, maybe I can plan my title. Okay, I can gather the content. For example, let us take in the case I have maybe worked on maybe let us take in the case C++ inline functions. Let us take in the case, and other researcher has gathered on pass by reference. In another researcher has worked on call by reference. So I'm trying to gather all this content, relevant content. Okay, so this is the way I collaborate. Okay, I'm going to plan a common title called Introduction to Object Oriented Programming, Introduction to C++. So I'm gathering the content of all the research articles, and in a common platform I'm going to get a collaborated way. Okay, so this is how I try to collaborate. And there is also a section called help and support. Okay, so in help and support section I'm getting the relevant help directly from ISSUU. So ISSUU has a help center where you can post some relevant questions and you will get some meaningful answers. Okay, you can ask the section. Okay, so you have like general frequently asked questions, you have a beta program, you have an elite program, how do I upload my content, what is the content upload limit, so everything you can go through. Okay, and the greatest advantage is that creating an account in ISSUU, it's generally free. You can create it for free. Only for the the purchasing sections you should have to access the premium services, and you can advertise you want. So this is where you get to know about all the frequently asked questions, the sales related frequently asked questions, onboarding frequently asked questions, about the elite program, about the beta program, how you can get started, how you can work on subscription. Okay, all this you can enjoy with ISSUU. And even with the case of ISSUU, we have some policies and guidelines. So that's a way you can get to know about it. Okay, which are the content you can upload, which are the content you should not upload to. So my suggestion is that you upload the content where you have a copyright, where you have a license to it. For example, you have published a research article in some publishing house, which means it is your article, so you can naturally upload it in ISSUU. Also, you have a section called join webinars. Okay, so just like LinkedIn, just like ResearchGate, just like Academia, you have a section called webinars and weekly workshops. So they will be uploading some contents which are relevant to your research area. Okay, maybe which are relevant to the current trends as well. So maybe we have a ISSUU Academy. Okay, so they have a startup or maybe mobilizations. Okay, they have some research oriented workshops also. So you can join them, you can want to, and you can create your own webinar also, you can create your own weekly workshops also. And there are several people who try to view your workshop, they will get access to your workshop. Maybe you can go for a paid workshop also, maybe they have to pay and then they can get access to your workshop or maybe the learning material. So that's a way you can watch too. Okay, so there are some recorded webinars and tutorials. There are some stories from mobile optimization, statistics and sharing, ISSUU, digital sales. So they have given some webinars and tutorials where you can get an insight about it and you can get to know about how you can develop. Okay, so that's the way. And you have ISSUU collaborate tutorial also, that's on demand. So this is a way that you can socialize yourself, you can connect yourself, and that's the way you tend to develop. Okay, so this is all about ISSUU. Okay, so similarly I can go for the read section as well. I can see a content of the editor's picks. Okay, the trending areas. Okay, like rise of a micro influencer. The trending magazines, I can get access to it. Okay, So maybe some have subscription, some might not have, some are free, some are paid, that you can go through. And then I have a section called feed, like I have the news feed as well. Okay, so news feed shows you like a list of trending research articles which the authors have recently uploaded, so you can go through. Okay, so a list of magazines, a list of newspaper articles as well, you can go through. Then there is a section called saved section. Okay, so like I can save, or maybe I can bookmark I can want to. Okay, so even I can get to know about my description as well. I can edit it I want to. I have a link to my website, maybe I have Facebook profile, Instagram profile, Pinterest profile, and Twitter profile also. Okay, and there are some sections called stories, discover. Even I have a section called categories also. So like different categories are there. According to the relevant categories you can search them. Okay, and then there is a section called discover. I can discover for the relevant search articles I want to. And then there are a section called stories. As I've told you, there are some article stories and there are some visual stories also. Accordingly, you can get the search results. And then you have a section called ISSUU store. Okay, it's a store where you can your favorite digital magazine. So this has been the top among the most top. Okay, so at the store you will get to know about what are the articles which have been purchased more, what are the articles which have been read more, so that thing you can go with ISSU. So once again we should make sure that our article comes up in these featured profiles. Okay, so this is a way you can tell your collaborators that your articles are the best. So that's I told you, like digital sales, article stories, visual stories. Okay, designers, marketers. So ISSUU is especially for those who regularly search, so it comes up in the trending fashion. Okay, and then I have a section called public profile. So this is my public profile. This is how it shows to the public. Okay, so this is my public profile. I can edit my profile I want to. And then there is a list of following. Okay, there are some of the list of the authors or publications which I am trying to follow. Okay, maybe when you are trying to create an account, it will tell you, okay, what is your research interest, or maybe what is your interest in ISSUU. Maybe I can follow these articles if I want to. Then accordingly I'll be getting the relevant search results. And then you have a section called account settings. Okay, maybe I can see the website, country, about section, profile type, Instagram link, Twitter link, Facebook link, and Pinterest link as well. Personal information, safe mode, I can do so. So explicit content will be avoided or hidden. Okay, and I can edit my description also. Similarly, I can get to know about several groups. Okay, so you can create a lab also. You can create a list of groups where you can have team members if you want to. I can even go for several premium services and several plans as well. You can go for the several premium services. That's as I told you, starter pack $19 per month. Basic pack it doesn't charge you any amount. Premium service maybe $40. Okay, maybe you will control your brand. And optimum pack, the highest pack, which is unlimited everything. Okay, so this is you are going to go for $269 per year. Okay, so this is annual pack. Okay, so you can go through you want to. And similarly you have a section called notifications, where you will be getting some deep insights. My publications follows. Maybe I can click on off. Maybe nobody will try to see my publications. Okay, a list of followers, the tips, news, promos, offers, push notifications, everything I'll be getting in my profile. Okay. And similarly a section called billing. So So if I activated the premium service and if I have connected to Stripe, then I'll be getting the billing information. I can add a payment method, I can add a billing address, I can add a billing email also. So if I'm connected to Stripe, then definitely I'll be getting all these details I want. And then I have a section called API. Okay, so API, maybe you can manage the API keys that are associated with the ISSUU. Okay, so you can create an API key and you can share them, okay, for other use. Maybe just like GPay or maybe PhonePe. Okay, API key is where you can share with ISSUU. So that's also you can, and you can upgrade if you want to. Okay, so if I click on this upgrade, that's what I told you, the services, okay, the premium services you can do. And finally the upload section. Okay, maybe I can click on this my device. Okay, let us take in the case so whenever you want live chat or maybe some chat from or maybe some help from the people, you can go for a help center and they will be connecting you. But it doesn't have live chats, and it's a platform where you try to index your publications and you can make your content digitally available and have a greater reach. Okay, so even you can collaborate also. You can join in the webinars, you can join in the web workshops, and that's where also you can make a good network. So I have uploaded my content. So whenever I try to upload the content, it will show you a description. Okay, so I can give a description about my article. Okay, I can choose it to be public. Okay, with the detected links, I can see them. You can see a list of advertisement. Maybe if my articles are gathering huge interest, maybe I will get some advertisements on my articles also. Okay, I can choose a backdate also, so that's the advantage. Okay, maybe in other platforms, maybe the date you are uploading, that date shows up, but you can select a backdate if I want to. So just like ResearchGate, I can choose a backdate I want to, and even with this publication I can create a new article story. So that's the advantage of adding them. And after I have uploaded everything, okay, if I choose to go for publish now, maybe after that I can share them, maybe in my Facebook or maybe Twitter or maybe Pinterest I want to. So that's where I can directly share. So that's the reason they are asking the Facebook profile, maybe script profile or maybe Pinterest profile. Okay, so directly it is going to share, okay, in the platform. So that's the way you do it, right? So this is the way that you can index your research publications. So compared to Slideshare, I can definitely say with ISSUU, it's an alternate platform that you can try to index your research publications, and definitely you'll get to have a wide split. Okay, so if you have any questions or maybe clarifications or maybe any of your personal experience with regards to creating your account or maybe uploading the content or maybe sharing the publication, joining the webinars or workshops, you can definitely tell them if you want. Okay, like that.